make tandoori paneer tikka, you will need paneer, Indian cottage cheese, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, red onion, to make paneer tikka marinade, we will need 1 cup of yogurt, 1 spoon of salt, little more, roasted black gram powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, garlic paste, chaat masala, coriander mint chutney, 1 spoon of tandoori barbecue masala, keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, and for best result you can keep it for a day in the fridge. So the paneer marinade is out from the fridge after 6 hours. I'm going to put this in the skewer.